Today I will show you how to add a subdomain on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged into your Squarespace account, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now you're going to click on domain. From the dashboard navigation, you click on domain. Under domain, you're going to choose the domain that you want to add a subdomain for. Once you click on it, on the left sidebar, you're going to come to a website. Now on the website, once you scroll down, you see domain forwarding. You click on add rule. This is where you're going to add your subdomain. So you can add the subdomain, and once you do that, it's going to add that subdomain to your actual domain, and it's going to redirect to your website. Or you can also enter another website here. And once you're done, you click on save, and it should be saved. And anytime somebody hits that domain, the subdomain that you added, or this one that you added, is going to redirect to your website. Now that's how you add a subdomain on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.